Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're not talking about superbikes or cruisers. We are diving deep into the most anticipated dirt machine in years, the Ducati Desmo 450 MX Factory 2026. This isn't just Ducati putting a toe in the water. This is a full-scale, factory-backed assault on the motocross world, and the consumer version is packed with technology that blows the competition away.
This is the Desmo 450 MX Factory. The Desmo 450 ready to compete out of the box. The buy on Saturday and race on Sunday buy.
Let's start with the parts that take the biggest beating: the chassis and suspension. Motocross racing is brutal, and durability is key. The factory model comes equipped with absolute top-shelf Showa suspension.
The bike ready to face the most demanding races. We chose the finest componentry to save weight. We put on a disc guard, a skid plate to protect it from mud and stones. We have an RK MXU chain with the O-rings, the same that we use on the factory bike that races the Motocross GP to improve reliability and durability. And to make it ready for the grid, there's the whole shot device.
You'll notice the striking blue titanium oxide coating on the inner fork tubes and the rear shock rod. This isn't just for looks. This coating drastically enhances resistance against chipping from rocks and dirt, increasing surface hardness by up to 60%. To further reduce friction and ensure the smoothest action possible, the outer tubes feature a high-performance Kashima coating.
This factory bike and all the dedicated parts it have. We have the chain with the O-rings. That's also something really important for us, especially in heavy condition. You know, sometimes it's high risk to break the chain during a race, so that's for sure way safer. And a big plus is also the whole shot device. That's a must for us as a rider and racers. And I mean, for have a good start, you have to have it. So yeah, that's for sure needed.
Moving up, we find the machined Ergel aluminum triple clamps. These aren't just standard clamps. They are specifically engineered to offer greater rigidity for high-speed stability, while simultaneously achieving a nearly 200-gram weight saving over traditional components. This focus on meticulous weight reduction is everywhere. We also see robust protection. A carbon fiber skid plate is standard, protecting the sophisticated engine internals from mud and rocks.
An increase of the 60% of hardness. Moreover, with super finishing treatment and dark Kashima coating on the outer tube, we get lower friction to improve the sliding smoothness. Furthermore, to get a lighter front end, we developed machine triple clamps, made of Ergel aluminum black anodized, that guarantee almost 200 grams of weight saving.
And the bike uses the same heavy-duty RK MXU O-ring chain found on the factory race bikes, ensuring unparalleled reliability under extreme conditions.
Regarding the suspension, it's really cool that everybody can buy a factory look bike, but it's not only about the look for sure, it's also about performance. The triple clamps are something that improved a lot, and they give a bit more stiffness feeling, so it improves a lot the stability on high speed zones, so that's a big plus. The fork runs way smoothly, and it's also more resistant as the material treatment is way different. So yeah, it's a plus because during races, yeah, you get a lot of rocks, and it definitely stays better for longer, that's for sure.
Oh, and yes, it comes standard with a whole shot device to compress the front suspension, guaranteeing you nail that critical launch off the gate.
The Desmo 450 MX Factory has an incredibly high revving engine, thanks to the Desmodromic timing system that allows a more precise valve lift than a traditional coil spring system. This means less gear shift, both while riding and at the start, where it's crucial. But that's not all. The heart of the Desmo 450 was designed to deliver smooth power and a progressive and gradual torque. The result is a feeling of control and confidence that put at ease every rider without sacrificing performance.